Welcome back, Bryan City Schools! Only 9 more weeks to go. Seniors, this quarter is critical for your exam exemption. Please keep that in mind.
Students in grades 8 through 11, have you thought about running for student council or class officer? Be thinking about it and about the 3 teacher recommendations you will need.
The World Community Workshop at Sauder's Village is April 11th through the 13th. If you're interested, contact Mr. Niese by March 27th.
If you're interested in attending a job fair at Northwest State, please sign up in Mrs. Bassett's office. There will be opportunities for full-time and summer employment.
If you were a Winter Scholar Athlete and have not received your Scholar Athlete t-shirt yet, stop in the athletic office before school, during AA, or after school to pick it up. 1 shirt per year.
The lone sports event reported was the Bryan varsity softball team that traveled to Maumee on Saturday to start their season. They fell 12-6. Pitching for the Bears was Sheridan Miller and Addie Arnold. Leading hitters for the Bears were Addie Arnold, 3 for 3 with a double, and Ellie Du Bois with a home run. Bryan will host Fairview on Monday at 5.
Have a great Monday!